In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if AirDrop not working after the latest iOS update. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Control Center. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, and here we need to ensure that Bluetooth turned on. If it is toggled off, just tap on it to activate it. The same about Wi-Fi, it should be turned on as well. Airplane mode need to be turned off, just like in my case. And also, I recommend you to turn off any focus mode. Once it is done, try to use AirDrop, and if it still doesn't work, head over to Settings, then get into General, and then AirDrop. That's where activate everyone for 10 minutes and then try to use AirDrop. If it doesn't help you, head over to Settings again, then enter Screen Time, get into Content and Privacy Restrictions, Allowed Apps, and make sure that the toggle next to AirDrop turned on. If it doesn't help you, I recommend you to reset your network settings. To do that, head over to General, scroll down to the very bottom, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap at Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. On the next step, you will be asked to enter your device's passcode, and once you've done that, your network settings will be reset to their default. After that, try to use AirDrop, and if it doesn't help, I got the last solution for you, is to restart your iPhone. To do that, we need to long press at the same time volume up button and power button, just like that. Just press and hold them for a couple of seconds until that screen appears, and once it is done, just drag it to the right until the screen turns off, and then after a couple of seconds press and hold power button until Apple logo appears. And then just wait for the iPhone to boot up. After that, your AirDrop should work. However, if it is not, write me in the comments below and we'll find solution together. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.